just can't stay here. Stagnant under pressure. Let me guide you, 'cause there ain't no way. To the pressure of the outside, feel like taking over. Let me help, 'cause there ain't no way. Let me guide you to revive. No way. Feel to the pressure of the outside. Come to me. Let me help you revive the light.
Much for your interest to our little show. I hope you enjoyed it. Enjoyed?
Yes.
Yes, because we practiced 3 months to present. I want to talk just a little bit about our company. We are called Emelda Leather. We are one of the biggest leather producers, not only in Turkey, quite all over Europe. We have 3 factories in Istanbul, 1 factory in Izmir, and 1 factory in Bulgaria. Like 2,000 employees, producing approximately 6,000 leather jackets per day. Normally it is very big amount for leather business. 80% of our products we produce for European countries. Actually, it's the reason most important point for us is the quality. Why I say that? Normally Turkey is very famous with leather products, but leather products you see in local markets, in shopping malls, in bazaars are not Turkish leather. Skin is coming from 3 countries mostly, Egypt, Pakistan and Argentina. We use here just Turkish skin. Another important point, you find 4 or 5 different skin types used in this business. Those are calf, goat, white pig and sheep. We use here just lamb. We only work with lamb. Any opinion why we use them?
Why?
I know why.
Too many lamb here.
Very easy.
Soft.
No.
Warm.
Delicious.
Yes.
We eat too much kebab. No, actually you're right. First point, it is light in the weight. Soft, smooth, flexible, and lamb skin doesn't smell like other animal skins. Besides lamb skin, this is our specialty. Produced only in Turkey, all over the world. 95% for export and mostly to do very big brands. This is called Peluria. Ever heard about Peluria? No. Peluria is actually the international name of the product, but in Turkey we call this silk leather. Nothing to do with silk, just because of feeling, softness, we call it silk leather. By the way, this is also made of lamb skin, but from very chosen, selected ones. Because at this product, we cut the skin into 0.3 millimeter thickness with laser technology, and we use just the back part, just this line of the lamb, because it gives the best quality, and maximum 20% of the lambs give this quality. Because lambs live in nature, in the mountains or in the farms. Even they touch each other, skin can be damaged. If it is little bit damaged, you cannot cut it so thin. Skin must be undamaged, precious. What makes this special? These are all seasons products. It is thin, but strong. This keeps you warm in winter time, but regular cold. Not like -5, -10 of course, with a sweater or jumper under it, keeps you warm until 0 degrees Celsius. But the best point, you can even wear in summer, even under sunshine. No any problem. Regular short leather jackets are approximately 800-850 grams. These are like 100. Depends on the length, 150 grams. Our jackets are all waterproof. And these are all organic colored with deep dyeing system in 3-4 weeks. Again, like tattoo. So this never lose, change color after rain, no deformation. In case any problem like losing color, deformation, even zipper, button, stitchings, any problem, we directly send you the new one to your door because we give you 3 years worldwide official warranty. We also work under the control of government. The one I'm showing you is quite exclusive one because this is also reversible item. But this is just one piece skin, no lining. Inside is laser print, same skin quality. As a sample, this is also silk leather quality, also reversible, but these are with lining and reversible. And we don't use regular polyester lining, we use Gore-Tex or parasailing fabric. This quality, after use, you don't want to wear. You can just fold like you want. You can even directly put in your pocket. By the way, directly in the pocket, I mean after you pay, of course, not important. Just shake a bit, you can directly wear. Forget cracks, these are even wrinkle free. Maybe you put in your bag, forget 3 months, still no problem. Just hang it couple of hours, it comes back to normal by itself. If you want, you can even iron, but not directly. Just a scarf or towel over it, you can iron as well. And you may like jackets, but for example, sleeves can be longer than you need. No any problem. We cut the sleeves original maximum in 20-25 minutes. No need to wait, we can deliver to your hotel as well. Maybe it is shorter than you need, easier for us, then we cut your arms. Yes, we fix everything. Of course, you are very, very lucky because if you want to buy something, we don't say no. You can. And when we enter the store, you will mostly find cashmere collections. 1 floor up, we have winter collections. 2 floor up, we have exclusive products. Jackets I explained, leather section, handbags, wallet, purses, outlet, 1 floor down. So actually, I like to invite you 1 floor down, please. Thank you very much for your attention.